Yeah. What's poppin'? We are live. We're doing it here. The NASDAQ. Fresh Cash Friday. We got some new apparel. Got some new apparel on the onlypropfirms.com website. I'll be showing off some of the new apparel here in the video. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Getting pumped up here. Getting pumped. If you're not pumped up, I mean, what are you even doing? What are you even doing here? I think my favorite shirt here has got to be this one. Good form, Brosef. Look at that. That's a good one. Got some good ones. What else we got here? Got a new mouse pad. Buy low, sell high. Put that on your desk there. We got lots of good stuff in here. Wear this one around town. See what people think about you. Gaps love to get filled. Oh, buddy. This one's kind of nice too. FOMO YOLO. Oh, buddy. We got the Lambo Pat shirt. I think this one's pretty cool too. Lambo Pat. It's a nice shirt too, you know. I'm not gonna wear them shitty shirts. So we got some nice quality shirts here for you guys. We got a lot of stuff going on. We're gonna be doing some big stuff in the future as well. We got the McLaren shirt here. Oh, buddy, if you add to cart, you see the little cart, you go to checkout. Let's see what we got. All kinds of fun stuff there. And you can start earning. Hey, only prop firms. They're in the chat right now. I think we got to talk about, I don't know if we're allowed to talk about it, but we've got some big stuff coming. Big stuff coming. Right now, the NASDAQ moving down 20,075 here. We had some numbers this morning, PCE numbers. The market up to the 20,180s, back down about 100 points on this move to the downside right now. So let's see what happens. What happens. Well, that's right. Ugliest sunglasses ever. ... D-bag. LOL, joke's on you. LOL, joke's on you, buddy. LOL. Hey, just remember, I'm sitting on YouTube, trading, having a good time, and you're sitting in your mom's basement, so joke's on you, buddy. Joke's on you. Right now, the NASDAQ still just grinding lower here. Grinding. How was the Bahamas? It was good. Bahamas was good. It's always good in the Bahamas. Hard to complain. Life is good. After Biden's performance, surprised we're not down 10%. Apparently, Dakota lost all of his trades for the last 2 days. Uh-oh. It happens. Sometimes you're hot, sometimes you're not. That's just trading, my friends. Sometimes you make a little bit of money, sometimes you lose a little bit of money. That's how it goes. Right now, NASDAQ finding some buyers down here in the... NASDAQ getting some buyers down there in the 60s for now. Nice little bounce back up here for now. It's Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's my favorite day of the week. I look forward to Fridays. I look forward to Fridays. I don't know about you guys, but it's just nice to finish the week on a green note, you know? Let's finish it on a green note here. Well, that's right. That's right. That's right. Bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum. Right now, NASDAQ trying to get some buyers here at the 70s again. You can see those buyers kind of holding it up here for now. The dollar right now, DXY, kind of just chopping around. We had some news this morning. We got more news later on as well. So let's see what happens. What happens? I think we got some, didn't we just get some for 9 o'clock news too? If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. We get some likes going here. You never know what I might do. Give out some free stuff. The leopard shirt is right here, Jimmy DeButler. Jimmy DeButler. We got more apparel to put on today. I like this one too. This is a good one. It's a good one right there. It's a good one. What else we got here? I got a bunch of shirts. This one might be a good one too. Oh man. This is the new Fresh Cash Friday shirt. We got the leopard print on the black shirt, baby. Am I gonna keep this live stream for later? Probably not. It's live right now. What do you want to watch it later for? We're doing it right now live. Watch. Keep on watching. Don't tune away. I wore the Jimmy is short shirt yesterday. I think it's in the all right, NASDAQ, push it back up here, the 90 level. Bunch of liquidity sitting there right now. 90s for now. Nice little rebound there off the 60s for now. Look at the bigger picture here. Bigger picture, my friends. Going to the hourly chart. Hourly chart. That big old hourly candle right there. We got the VWAP up there at the 20,109s. JT, do you remember many of the people's names in the chat who are regulars? Oh, yeah. I remember. I see a lot of the same people here every day. I see a lot of the same people here every day, baby. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Big seller just popped up there. Look at that. 106 contracts sitting at the 85s for now. Someone's trying to sell. 106 contracts just sitting there on the book right now. Look at that. They disappeared. You saw that? Just disappeared. I wonder what they were doing. Trying to maybe buy lower. Doing something there. Doing something there. That order down in the 70s has been sitting there for a minute. Let's see if that 80 order pops up there again. Boom, boom, boom. All right, going back here to the hourly chart, we've got The overnight move, we've already ran the low from the overnight, obviously. We took out the high as well. This is an interesting setup here. We've taken out the overnight high and the overnight low. What does that mean? I'm confused. What does that mean? What does that mean? Wow, yeah. Looking at the ES right now, you've got 1,900 contracts on the ES sitting there at the 55.65 here. What does that mean? Yeah, I don't know. The fact that we ran the overnight low and the overnight high all before market opens leads me to believe that we're going to get some volatility here either way. Maybe some choppy action. Let's be patient. It's the last Friday of the month as well. Last day of the month, right? Last day of June here. Last Friday. Last Friday. You can see the difference in the NASDAQ versus the ES. Wait, is Monday the last day? Last Friday of the month. I'm confused. Which day is which day? I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Oh God. Oh God. Help me. Last trading day today. Yeah, what are you talking about? It's the last trading day of the month. You little fuckers. Yeah, it's the last trading day of the month. What are the people on the idiot in the chat said? It's not the last day. It's not the last day. It's not the last day. I can't sometimes. The chat, man. The freaking chat. Looking at the economic calendar here on onlyprofirms.com, what do we got? We got a little bit more news today. June 10 o'clock. We got 9:45 Chicago PMI number, 30 minutes, and then we've got some more numbers, Michigan inflation numbers at 10 o'clock. So PMI 9:45. We had a bunch of numbers this morning at 8:30, and now we'll see how this plays out. 9:45 numbers, 10 o'clock numbers. It's Friday, baby. Where do you see the news updates? Onlyprofirms.com. Link right there. Link right there, baby. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. All right, on the hourly chart right now, the NASDAQ, there's a pivot point right there on the hourly chart at this kind of 90 level, right? So, I want to see kind of what happens at this 90 level here. We've already ran the overnight lows. We've ran the overnight highs. The overall trend here since Tuesday has been higher lows. Higher lows. Tuesday was the low of the week. Wednesday held on. We had the presidential debate last night. I don't really know if it was a debate or if it was, I don't really know what it was, to be honest. It was I don't know, it was something very, very interesting either way. They actually just Trump just posted this.
Eligible for what I've been able to do with dealing with everything we had to do with, look, we finally beat Medicare. We're finally providing housing for black.
We finally beat Medicare. This guy is on fire.
The choice, the idea that they're gonna, I'm proposing that everybody, they pay, the millionaires pay 1%. So no one after, I've not raised the cost of Social Security for anybody. I got my handicap, which when I was vice president, down to a 6. And wants to get away with, get rid of the ability of Medicare for the ability.
I mean, who's gonna vote for this guy?
Us to be able to
Who?
drug pricing.
You'd have to be a goddamn idiot. You'd have to be a fucking moron. Like, after watching that last night, you'd have to be a fucking moron to be like, yes, Joe Biden is my president. You'd have to be a moron to want to vote for this guy. I mean, there is, at this point, it is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Who the fuck is going to vote for him? The only person going to vote for Joe Biden is someone who's a fucking moron. And I'll say that all day. Like, you'd have to be a goddamn moron. Pardon my English, but oh my God. That's terrible. I feel bad. I feel bad because it just proves how dumb people are. Like, how dumb can you be? The guy is literally brain dead. Like, imagine if I went on YouTube, you know, I went on YouTube and was like, the nasdaq, you know, like, I would be bad at YouTube. And this motherfucker is the president of the United States. He's the president of the United States. Holy motherfucking fuck. It's mind-blowing. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, this 60 area, we're holding up here. We saw a big seller at the 80s. He was there for a minute. It looks like we've had some more selling pressure. It looks like it might have come back for a little bit there at the 80s again. We'll see if that's going to be kind of staying there, trying to keep this down. On the pivot points, we got the 20,000 area pretty much down there on the pivots. Right now, the NASDAQ just grinding lower basically here before open. Kind of a weird setup. Like I said, we already ran the overnight low and we've also ran the overnight high. Last Friday of the month. I mean, it's what shift, you know? Yeah, let's do another poll here. Who's voting for Biden after seeing that last night? Who's voting for Biden after that last night? Come on. Come on. After last night's debate, who you voting for? Let me know in the chat. If it's not 100%, oh my God. It's sickening. It's sickening. It's sickening that anybody in the chat right now would even vote for Biden. Sickening. Absolute sickening. God. I know half of those votes are literally just trolls. Dude, it got worse. Oh, God. You're going to vote for Biden just so Trump doesn't win. Oh, God. It's sad. Man. Oh, man. Oh, man. It went up. It went up. Fuck. That might have bounced. That might have bounced there. Oh, man. We got the Lambo right now. The Lambo is getting wrapped. I'm wrapping the Lambo the color of green. So, the color of money. Bright green, baby. All right, going into open here. We got 9 minutes. 15-minute chart. That 60 area has been holding us up for now. Got the VWAP up there, 20,110. The color that you bought it was nicer. It's fucking black. What do you mean the color that I bought it? Troy's got everybody at the fire station watching me. Oh, man. We're live. We're doing it, baby. We are... Fucking A, man. Put me up there. Why not paint? Why in the fuck would I paint? Why would I paint a Lambo? Come on now. Why would I paint a Lambo? Are you Jewish? Do I look Jewish? I mean, no, I'm not like, no offense to Jewish people, but do I look fucking Jewish? You look Jewish. All right. We got 7 minutes here till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ sitting down here at the 60 level. I'd be very surprised if we just go straight up from here. I feel like the low, that 60 area, it's too perfect. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. The way you speak, no wonder you vote for him. Guys, like I said before, at the end of the day, I don't think Trump or Biden are the best candidates. But remember, there's only two options. America's fucked either way. Like, I think I would be a better option than both. Let's be honest. Patrick Wieland for president, 100% I would be a better president than both of those people. So, that's a fact. You know. What do I think about Robert Kennedy Jr.? I don't know. I just don't understand why a bunch of old guys, why a bunch of old people run our country, you know? Then vote for the one that is a representative of the party with better policies. Yeah, fucking Republican. Why the fuck? Why would I vote for the Democrats? Come on. AOC? Those fucking idiots? We need more taxes. Give more money to fucking Ukraine. We need more taxes to give more money to fucking more other people other than me. Guess what? I need money. Why can't I? I was a free buddy. What do I think about Hillary Clinton? Idiot. Come on. You're not, there is not one person that you could suggest for president that I would say is better than me. My dad? No. 100%. 100% not my dad either. My dad would not be a good president. I would be a good president. New shirts. New shirts on onlypropfirms.com as we wait for the market open. I don't need no handout. All Trump does is hand out. That's why we have the inflation. Yes. Ian, you have just proved that you are a fucking moron. Ian Holland, I just want that sentence alone just proved that you are a fucking moron. That's why we have inflation, is because Trump gave handouts. I can't. I literally can't. And look at that. That 60 area getting ran. I told you, they're not gonna just leave that 60 area sitting there right there. No way. Literally. The guy said that the reason we have inflation is because, oh my God. Oh, it's not true. Trump 8.5 trillion to national debt. Guys, it was, does anybody remember COVID? Does anybody remember fucking COVID? Remember when the whole fucking country almost fucking imploded? Oh my God. Nobody remembers COVID. That's my favorite. They're like, oh, Trump put us in debt. Yes. There was, nobody remembers COVID. No, I don't remember it. That's my, like, it. Come on. We got 2 minutes here till the market opens up. They ran the low of this 15-minute candle now. Just because it was COVID doesn't mean it doesn't count. All right. Y'all, everybody's right. Y'all right. Y'all right. I mean, I might have drank bleach to get rid of. I never got vaccinated, so maybe bleach was a better option. Maybe bleach was the better option. Would you drill? Fuck yeah, I would drill. I'd pump as much oil out of the ground in America as we could. I'd be pumping so much fucking oil. I'd want to flood the entire planet with oil. Put the Saudi Arabians out of fucking power. We got enough oil. Let's fucking get it out of the ground, baby. Let's get that oil. Let's fucking take back, baby. Drill it. Everybody in America can have free oil. Everybody should have free gas. Think about that. What if everybody in America had free gas? We could do it. We literally could. Everybody in America could have free gas if we wanted to. So, just putting that out there. Here we go. Market is open. NASDAQ's about to drill. Market's about to drill some accounts today. All right, hold up here at the 60s. Let's see what happens. Looks like the NASDAQ's drilling right now. Being patient here. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. So far, NASDAQ holding down below the 70s here. Straight down. Straight down. We got the pivot point down here at the 20,000 area. Pat, I hope this is an act for your show and you're not this dumb in real life. No, this is real. 100% real. I fully believe everything that I say, it's real. Clearly, I'm the dumbest person in the room, right? Because you're watching me on YouTube. Clearly, I'm dumb. Right now, the NASDAQ just continuing lower here, being patient, waiting for my setups. We need something to look juicy here. Don't just go crazy and just jump in. We kind of filled the gap from the close yesterday now on the QQQ here. The close yesterday on the Qs. We haven't filled it all the way. We got a little bit more to go. 481.56 would be the close from yesterday. We're right at 481.80, so maybe a little lower here to close the gap all the way. The Dow right now ripping to the upside, straight up. Oh my lord. Boner candle from hell. Boner candle from hell on the Dow right now. Boner candle from hell. The Dow making the move back up first here. Will the NASDAQ start to rip? We got that key level to get through there at the 75, 80s for the bulls. And then you got the VWAP up there at the 104s. 104s to get through, so. La 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 la. Dow still ripping straight up. The ES is ripping straight up. Dollar's also ripping straight up here. Need to get away from that. Holy crap. The Dow is straight up here. You can see the Dow. Look at the Dow. YM right now going straight to the moon. Will the NASDAQ start to follow here? Hold that low down there, back above the 50s, and then try to push straight up towards that VWAP there next. We do have that pivot point down there at the 20,010 area here on the NASDAQ for now. Dollar still pushing up. We got more news coming out. 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. Market not getting a bounce here. Dow still pushing. Will they double bottom here at the 40s? Looks like 40's holding up for now. I think that move on the Dow there pretty much paints the picture for the NASDAQ to try to get this push back up. Let's see. You got all this liquidity kind of up there at 75 to the 80 level to push through there next. She's pushing. She rips right through the 75s here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Ayo in the yayo. She's still going. She's still going. Took that right there from the 65s up there to the 75s, 10 points. Like I said, looking for that push back above the 60s there. We held the lows there. We break above the high of this candle. The push up there into this level next. She's still going. There's 85s now. We saw the Dow ripping. The Dow ripping back up. The NASDAQ, little delayed response for now, but trying to push. Basil taking it from 65 up there to the 80s. Let's go. I think the NASDAQ wants that push back above 20,000 tens. Guys, I got my Fresh Cash Friday shirt on right here, cheetah print. Don't you worry. We got it covered. Got the VWAP right now up there at the 98s. VWAP at the 98s for now. Trades with JT took the 60 to the 80s. Let's go. Winning, winning, winning. Papa Bull, one trade, 30 points. Let's go. Jeremy's long from 49.50. I think you look good, my friend. That VWAP sitting there at the 100 area. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we can get it here. Mike passed the combine. Let's go. That 40 area holding up there beautifully. Like I said, getting back above the 60s. We're looking for that push back above the 60s, the high of this denial candle there at open. All right, so that's the 932 candle. We got 945 news coming out here in a minute, so be prepared for that. We're basically looking for a break. Anybody who's wondering why, Patrick, why'd you get long there? Well, look, we had this resistance. We get below it. That resistance that support turns into resistance there. We get above the 60s again. We get long, looking for a push basically back into this level above the highs of these candles. And well, now we can see if we turn it into support here. So if we turn this 80 into support, and then you got the VWAP up there next. Burn futures from 62 to 85. Let's go. Hey, when I say that 10 points is all you need, nothing wrong with taking a little bit more. You know, nothing wrong with just taking profit. Take your 10 points, take your 20 points, 30 points. Boom. Jimmy Moss is up $3,000. Let's go. Markets I have been open for 10 minutes. Marcus, I ain't been open for 10 minutes. We're making the money. All right, so dollar's pulling back right now. Dollar's pulling back. YM's pulling back. Everything's kind of consolidating before this news comes out, I think. Think. Laquanda. That's a name right there. Laquanda. I like that name. Laquanda. 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 Am I saying that right? Laquanda. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. Are you holding a position into news? Never. Never, never, never. No reason to do that. We don't want to go, if I wanted to bet on black or red, I would just go to a casino. Better odds. The odds of you being right, I feel like, is probably like 10% on news. Micro millionaire, $300 with 20 accounts. Is that $300 across 20 accounts, or is that $300? All right, NASDAQ kind of building out some bullish momentum here, returning this previous area into resistance. Previous area resistance into support right now here at the 70s. Got the VWAP there. I think she wants just to push straight up. Just got to wait for this news to come out. Hey, I can agree with you now, Ian. Me and Ian can agree on one thing. Playing the news, you're better off trading, I don't know. Better off going to the casino. Playing slots. What time frames do you use for your setup? We use the 2-minute chart. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting at the 20,100 level right now. This wants to rip. Bunch of liquidity up there. They take out that VWAP level now. Oh yeah. Look at them. Search and destroy. They are going right to that liquidity there. Who? Hey. Look at it. But Patrick! Why? I mean, how much can you make on an Apex PA? Heard you can only make 780. What does that even mean? 780? You can make as much as you want, my friend. Just do it consistently. What do I suggest about Bookmap? Is it worth it? I mean, at the end of the day, if you're worried about, a couple $100 here and there, then maybe it's not worth it. But if you got some extra money, I don't know. I think it's a good tool to have if you use it the right way. So, oh my Lord, look at this. NASDAQ still ripping through the VWAP now. We got news here, 9:45. Who would have thought? I think I would have thought. I guess I would have thought, Patrick Wieland would have thought. Nasdaq, NACD. Got 20 liquidity, 120 liquidity up there next. Right now they're just grinding. Patrick, you are not in the garage. Yes, I am. The car is there. NASDAQ pushing here. All that liquidity just getting taken out. Can you go touch the car? I don't know. Can you go touch the car? It's fake. It's a green screen. It's a green screen, man. It's not real. Patrick's a scam. Patrick's a scammer. He just scams us every day. I'm out here just scamming free on YouTube. Hey, watch out, everybody. Don't get scammed. Whatever you do, keep the scams on the low. Another day, another dollar. Green. Is that your dream car? I don't know. We got news at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock here. NASDAQ off the VWAP now, through the VWAP there. Look at this beautiful setup here. Look at this beautiful setup from the 70s up there to the VWAP, still pushing. Oh, buddy. What's great is we actually pulled back to our pretty much our original entry there. The 15-minute range right now as well playing out. You got the high of that first 15-minute candle. NASDAQ still pushing right there at the VWAP as well. Why do you think the 9:45 news literally did nothing? Well, I mean, it did something. So you gotta love this setup with the VWAP there. You got a pivot point up there at the 46s next. This 10 o'clock news should get us going. If you guys want to check out onlyprofirms.com, we got some new apparel. Lots of good ones on there. Good form. Or maybe my all-time favorite here. We're actually going to set up a new thing too, where every dollar that you spend gets you an entry into winning free stuff. Maybe one day we'll give away a Lambo. Can we do that? Only prop firms? You think we can pull that? Maybe give away a Lambo one day? I don't know. One Lambo. Buy a t-shirt, win a Lambo. All right. It's been Only Prop Firms has confirmed that at some point we're going to give away a Lambo. Oh, man. NASDAQ still pushing. Not that I'm going to say that I told you to get long at 40, but look at that 40 area holding up there almost 100 points now. The bulls. Oh my Lord. She's still going. Anybody take the 15-minute range breakout? Anybody take the 15-minute range setup there? Who took the 15-minute range setup today? Let's see. Did you take the 15-minute range setup? That right there is about, what, 30 points or so? Dave TV is short on the Dow. Clearly, he's not American. Doesn't love America. Be careful with the Dow right now. The Dow's sitting right there at the VWAP, by the way. And we got more news coming out here soon. NASDAQ up there almost to the pivot now. That 146 level is the pivot we're looking at there. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, look at the ES right now. There's still 2,000 contracts on the ES at the 65s. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 2,000 contracts just sitting there. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? How's the book coming? The book is getting closer and closer to being finished. Exciting times. Patrick Wieland, an author. Who would have thought? My teachers in high school, they're gonna roll over. I don't know if they're dead yet, but they would roll over in their graves. Are those just sell contracts, or does it not indicate? Well, I mean, I guess it could be a buy stop order, but that would be a big buy stop order. You'd have to have some real balls. I don't think it'd be a buy stop. Just in theory. If I was gonna bet, you know, I just don't feel like it would be a buy stop. NASDAQ on the hunt here. That 40 area holding us down for now. Will they push it up there to the pivot next? 46's pivot. NASDAQ getting wild here. Getting wild here. Right there, the 30s for now. The high, a little bit of a double top here on these 2-minute candles. The high, 39, and then 40, 75 there. I feel like they just want to run that straight up there one more time before that news comes out here. For the news. The bulls are trying to hold up here at the 30s for now. Will they push? Hold the 30s, push through the 40s there. Woo! NASDAQ getting very tight, very tight. For now, they're at the 36, 35s. $35 right now, resistance here. Get through the 35s and then squeeze up there to that pivot. She's trying to go. 35s holding it down. Oh, 35, 36 is trying to push. We got news in 3 minutes. 3 minutes till the news comes out here. 3 minutes till the news. Should try to break this 40 level here. Pivot point at the 46s there. And there you go. There you go. Who would have thought? Right to the pivot point. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I mean, that is too perfect. That is too perfect. And the people will be like, but Patrick, pivot points are a scam. VWAP's a scam. I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, I'm looking at my account right now and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right, news about to drop here. 1 minute till the news. The pivot point indicator that I use. Pivot points standard. Pivot points standard. And there goes the NASDAQ. Pushing, pushing. 50s. 50s on the book right now. 67 contracts there at 50. About to take out 50s here. Watch them climb right through there. Try to climb right through that liquidity there. They're gonna climb! 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 That ES seller sold 2,000 contracts on the ES. Sold 2,000 contracts there at the 65s. Wow. Somebody got filled. Somebody got filled. Wowzers. That's a lot of action. Pretty much 3,000 volume traded right there. Look at that. All that volume was sitting there, and bam, he gone. He gone for now. Interesting. Interesting. And the NASDAQ continues to push, push, push here. Oh, Lord. Through the pivot point there. Now we ran the overnight high, the data numbers. The high from that data print earlier was 178. Now we're up there to the 180s. She's still going. I need some water. My lord. My lord. Look at this thing. Off of the pivot now. Up 60 points from the 140s on the NASDAQ. Up there to the 200s now. Lordy, lordy. Lordy, lordy. I am not in a trade right now. Holy. Next pivot point's up there at the 250s. It's got to pull back, right? It's got to pull back, right? Leonidas up $500. Let's go. We got David with the 100K Apex eval passed as well. What a move. Krug Sailor passed his evaluation in 1 day. Let's go. Joe Black, what do I look for on the Bookmap? I'm basically looking for just big areas of liquidity and interesting things on the Bookmap, honestly. Just big buyers like stepping up, you know, aggressive buyers, and just want to see, you know, if I want to get long, I want to see buyers really being aggressive. Every little level just getting taken out. Like right now, it's just, you're just going. You can watch the Bookmap here, that volume kind of coming in, trying to push. You'll get more volume through levels. Like right now, we got liquidity there at the 22s. After that, you got the 30s up there. See how like right now, it's just like not convincing. The buyers just aren't winning right now. It's just kind of stuck there. So I want to see explosion. A lot of volatility here. A lot of volatility here for now. We just made a 100-point move, basically. Bunch of liquidity up there at the 40s next. There's a pivot point up at the 252s. NASDAQ is literally just grinding. Fuck, man. The Dow ripping higher. Everything going bull, bull, bull. Anybody still long from the 40s down there? 20,040. Anybody still long down there? One day, I gotta get better. I gotta get better, man. I want to hold for one of those one day. I don't know. You can't chase this thing now. Even if it wants to go higher, you got to be patient. So, DK, Pat, how do you handle that feeling of not holding and it going higher? Well, what I like to do is I like to just kind of look at my P&L and be like, okay. You know, like look at my P&L and be like, oh, I'm so upset. I'm so upset the market went higher. It just is what it is, man. And like we said before, the fact that the market went up, at least we were on the right side of the chart, right? We were on the right side of the move. We had a good plan. We weren't trying to short. At no point today did I talk about getting short. At no point. So there it is. Fucking NASDAQ, man. Got the dollar kind of breaking out here. I don't know, man. Interesting. What happened to that big seller on the ES at the 65s? Where'd he go? 2,000 contracts short there at the 65s. And it's weird too. I mean, they held that through the news as well. I don't know. Maybe it was maybe they were short on the ES and they got stopped out. I don't know. Either way, I mean, very, very interesting. 2,000 contracts just sitting on the book before that news came out. I mean, that's not retail, that's for sure. Who's trading 2,000 contracts? Which one of you is it? Tell me now. Which one of you guys is trading 2,000 contracts? I know y'all crazy in the chat. Dude. I mean, fuck. It just keeps going. It's just really hard to get long up here right now. Even if it goes higher, it's just like they're, you know. Problem is you get long right here, then it drops 30 points to the downside. Did it sell through? No, it sold through. That order was filled. You can see here on the book map, that order was filled. Right there, 2,000 contracts traded. Filled at 10 a.m. See, there was on the, you can see on the book right here, 1,900, and then it was filled. Yeah, right there, filled. 2,000 contracts traded. We got a big seller at the 50s for now on the NASDAQ here, 64 contracts. It's crazy to think, you know, you look at the ES. The ES has 200 contracts just sitting on the ask and the bid pretty much always. And then you go to the NASDAQ and like you've got 30 on the bid and ask. NASDAQ still just eating away. It sucks that 10 o'clock news came out there. Because that would have, you know, this really would have been like a great setup there through that pivot point. It's just hard to hold long through that news. I mean, that popped off right there at 9:58. Just too much of a gamble. But that would have been a great setup there. We pushed above the VWAP. We had that pivot right there to get through. We had this high from earlier as well. So, you know, even just getting long there at the 40s, targeting that high from the data. Great risk to reward. Man, oh man. This NASDAQ right now is absolutely insane. Dollar's pulling back now. Dollar got stuck in a range. Am I looking for shorts? No, definitely not. I would not be looking for shorts right here. Just because the market's going straight up don't mean I'm trying to get short. This thing can still rip another 30, 40 points. No point in shorting the fucking train. Dina says, I'm short, nice in the red. Oh no. Lordy, lordy. Oh man. If you guys remember, we talked about this low down there at the 60s before the market opened there on the 15-minute chart. We talked about this low wanting to get taken out. You can see that rip. Look at the 15-minute chart now. Oh my god. '70s on the book, about to get breaking the 70s there now. 75s, 50 contracts. The problem now is like you really need a good pullback. Like we would need a pull, I would say like 20,200 would be kind of where I'd want to see this pullback for a safe pullback here. Got a weird white noise. Mic check, mic check. I don't think so. Does anybody else have a weird white noise? White noise? Might just be the song. It'd be the song here. Buzzing sound. What about now? Still there. I see it on the thing. Don't know. Don't know what to do. Put up the gate a little bit. Won't really matter once the mic's open, though. I don't know. All right, NASDAQ finally pulling back here. Finally pulling back here. We might get our pullback here. And this is why I did not want to get long at the high. Got the VWAP down here. I mean, you just said then no short. Guys, just because I don't want to get long doesn't mean I'm going to get short. You know? How do I know it's going to... I don't know for sure it's going to pull back from the 70s. I don't fucking know. All I know is right now the market is going straight up. So it's hard to get short. Nothing wrong with just being patient, waiting, watching, hoping, praying, you know? Nothing wrong with that. See if we're gonna lose that 30 support. Holding up there the 30s still. Dangerous area chopping around here. For now, that 50 area sitting there on the book. Will they push it through the 50s? $72 contracts sitting at the 50s for now. Right there at that pivot point as well. Up there to the 50s. That pivot point holding us down for now. Trying to watch this pivot point here at the 50s, see what's going on with that 50 area right now. Having trouble there. Dollar's pulling back. The Dow, the ES, everything's trying to hold up at this level for now. Do we get a new high off of this 50s? 50 break for that new high push up there through the 80s, 70s or so. Possibly. She's still stuck below that pivot point for now. We got the VWAP down here. That 140 area is a pivot point as well. Still holding up there, the 40s. Watching this 50 area. If we get through that 50 area, let's see what happens. Looks like more pullback here. That 200 level down there wanting to get tapped. Will we make it down there is the question. I don't know what the buzzing noise could possibly be, guys. NASDAQ back up there to the 50s once again. Or the 40s once again. Mike. I literally have no idea. I've never had any buzzing before. I'm gonna try this long right here. Let's see. Get through that 50 area here. Chopping around up there for now. Move this a little bit lower. 32 stop on here. Ugh. Just stopped out here. Should have stayed out of it. Oy. Now it's gonna bounce. Nasdaq right back down there to the 200s. ES is still holding up at the 78th or so. See what happens here. That 200 level on the NASDAQ looks very weak. Like I said, maybe like back to the 180s or no. Guys, this fucking microphone right now, I don't know, man. They run that 200 level. There's a break through the 200, still just grinding lower. Look at that thing dropping like a rock. Dropped right through that 200 level there. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. See what happens with that VWAP down there if we get to the VWAP next. 15-minute chart pulling back here into the 180s. Back up there to the 200s again.
What's the stuff down there that we had marked?
I had to look at another stream. Someone said that so-and-so got long up at the 200s or so. Let's see if they're still holding or not, but they got out. But again, they're trading evals. The dollar dumping back down here. I don't know, the ES bounced back up above that pivot there, trying to get back above that 578 level. Got that 40 area, 140 down there. Couldn't stay above the 200s here. NASDAQ should keep moving down here still. Like 75s down there. NASDAQ trying to roll off. Needs to move down to this. Down into here. But again, recharging back towards the 200s. I don't know about the static noise, guys. I really don't fucking know about the static noise. Like, I don't fucking get it. What is going on with the static noise? No idea. NASDAQ going to our little yellow bubble down there. Watch it. A little shy of our little bubble. Market holding up here for now. Will we touch the little yellow circle? You got the VWAP down there. Got that pivot point at the 140s. She said, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. People in the chat that are worried about me taking the short, don't worry, don't worry. Daddy's okay. Daddy's gonna be all right. Taking the shorts down there, don't you worry. And there's our little VWAP touch. Guys, if I increase the gate to 40, it won't change because once the gate is open, it doesn't matter about the buzz. So the gate's gonna be open as long as I'm talking, right? The gate doesn't stop low frequency or high frequency. Oh, God. There's no gain. I don't even have gain. Like, that's just like the normal gain. That's not even the... Mic check, mic check, mic check. So when I'm talking, obviously the mic is open so you can hear me talking, but if I stop talking, the gate turns off, but that's why you don't hear buzzing. So do you hear buzzing now? Mic check, mic check, mic check. How do I sound? It's Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash, Fresh Cash, Fresh Cash Friday. And there's our little yellow circle getting the dot, dot, dot. Getting tapped down there to the 40s. Back to the pivot point. Back to the VWAP. Those pivot points love to get touched. Would you look at that? Pivot points, pivot points, pivot points. I drew the little yellow circle there. So... little yellow circle. It's not the gate, guys. Why? All right, NASDAQ back at the pivot points down here. 20,147. Will they find some support here at the 40s? Will they find some support here at the 40s? Don't look like it. Ouch. Oh, my Lord. What is going on? Talk about some volatility here. Last Friday of the month. Oh, buddy. Got the VWAP to try to get to, but a big old, yeah, big old wick there on the hourly chart. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. This fucking microphone, man. This fucking microphone, man. I ain't got time for this microphone bullshit. Ain't got time for this microphone bullshit. NASDAQ's all over the place right now. What time is it? 11 o'clock. There's the 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock move here. NASDAQ up, down, all around. Down there to the 30s again. Looks like a bear flag forming, huh? Will this make a new low here? Get that 100 break? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. He going downtown, buddy. He going downtown. Lordy, Lordy, the bear flag. Oh, the bear flag. Buddy Patrick, no. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, la, 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 la. The buzz. I don't know. Maybe it's the fucking XLR cable, or I don't know. I gotta figure something out. I'll try to mess with it. I'll try. I think it might be the XLR cable, to be honest. I don't know. I just don't know what. I moved my computer, but I don't understand why it would change. Like, whatever. I'll fix it later. There it is. So, beautiful move here today. Ba 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 da ba 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 da. Look at these stats. Oh my lord. Look at them stats, boys. Look at them stats. 92% today. Woo! Woo! Average trade time, 40 seconds. And this is why I don't call out trades, because literally my average trade time is 40 seconds. So if you try to follow me into a trade, by the time that you enter the trade, I'm already out of the trade. So, you know, it just don't work. I call out levels that I'm looking for, things like that, but the actual like buy, sell, so there it is. Another day, another dollar. Peace to the Middle East. This is per account as well. We went hard today. Went hard in the paint. This is a group of 4 PA accounts, funded accounts there. So trading big. I'm trying to trade big in these accounts just to see like what I can actually put up on the board instead of trading conservatively. So I gotta go. Peace to the Middle East.